day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be going through the Lush kitchen subscription box for November. I'm not gonna lie, have I seen spoilers of this month's box? Yes, I have. I feel like everybody got their boxes on Sunday or Saturday. I'm filming this on Monday. I'm not too sure whether this is going to be uploaded tonight, tomorrow or Wednesday. I haven't decided yet, but basically it's Monday the 4th today and I feel like everybody got theirs yesterday or the day before. So I have seen spoilers, but that doesn't really matter to me. I am so excited anyway, because you guys, when you see what's in this box, I can't. I am so excited. So if you guys don't know what the Lush kitchen subscription box is, essentially there are two options. You've got the shower and bath option, or you've got the just shower option. I have stuck with my kind of bath and shower option, but to be honest, sometimes the shower option looks so good as well. But you basically get like a menu that comes out saying what's going to be on there, and then you get a box once a month come to your door. It is bright green and it is just the most fun. I've been doing this now for literally, I mean, what has it been, like 3 years, maybe more, and I look forward to it every single month. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So this is the card in this month's box. I absolutely love it. It is giving winter, cozy. I am so excited for this month's box, and honestly, I love this time of year. Like, I love Christmas, I love Halloween, it's my birthday in January. I thrive in this time of year. So this is the card, so cute, and this is the box. I am so excited for this box. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's go for all the bottled, potted things first. So the first thing we have is this, which I'm so excited to try. This is the Lush Gingerbread Lip Scrub, which looks like this. Honestly, if you guys know me, you will know that I'm a lip scrub kind of gal. I love me a lip scrub. Do I own a million of them already? Yes, I do, but you know what? I'm not complaining because I love a lip scrub. In terms of ingredients, we have got caster sugar, jojoba oil, shea butter, bergamot oil, cinnamon leaf oil, sea salt. We've got ginger oil. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, if this smells like fresh ginger, I probably won't like it so much because I just cannot stand fresh ginger. I don't know why. But if it smells like gingerbread, we are on for a winner. So let's give it a smell and see. Ooh, how weird. It's like two-toned almost. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it's almost got two colours in there. How fun. Oh, okay, yeah, this is definitely more of a like gingerbready smell, which I'm really happy about. Yeah, that smells absolutely delish. I cannot wait to use this one. I'm currently using the blood orange one for Halloween, which I love it. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with it, but I'm excited for this one. Again, I love me a little Christmas moment and I'm just very excited to try it. Okay, the next item we have is a shower gel, and this is the Glog shower gel, and on the front it says, feeling groggy? Have something gloggy. That's very hard to say. Wash with cinnamon, clove and a squeeze of fresh orange juice to feel festive and revitalized. I am really excited to smell this one. I love me a good Christmas fragrance, so I'm really intrigued by this one. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like cinnamon stick and clove infusion. We've also got orange juice, vegan red wine, lemon juice, sea salt, cinnamon leaf oil, clove oil, lime oil, orange oil, just full of incredibly delicious things. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, oh, that is so good. Wait. We've had a product that smells like this before. It's on the like tip of my tongue because it's not cinders, I feel. Is it? Is that the same scent as cinders? To anybody who got this box, let me know down below, is this the cinders scent? Because it smells very similar. To basically describe it to anyone who has not smelt cinders before, I would describe it as you're kind of cooking some red wine on the hob and you're putting in some orange and some cinnamon, and that kind of smell, that spicy, warming, not alcohol-y, but like almost that kind of vibe, like that is what this smells like. It is so good, and I'm really excited to try this one. So that is the shower gel in the box, and again, I love me a shower gel. I love it when we get the like medium size as well. It's just such great value. So I'm really excited about that one. Okay, next up Oh, okay, do you know what? I'm really excited about this one. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. So this is the Honey I Wash the Kids Lush Melt, which looks like this. I personally love to use these as wax melts as opposed to using them in the bath. I don't really like an oily bath. It's just not for me, but these in a wax burner, just amazing. And this is obviously the Honey I Wash the Kids, and it says fill your home or bath with the rich... Hang on, let me start that again. Fill your home or bath with the rich gourmand notes of our legendary creamy caramel and honey scent. I love the little bumblebee on the top. I think that's such a nice touch, especially with the like honeycomb design. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have got almond oil, bergamot oil, orange oil. We've also got jojoba oil and cornstarch. I think that's it. There's a label in the way. Oh, it's so good. This smell... I'm literally dribbling. It's so good. If you have never smelt this smell, like, yes, it smells like honey, but like it's a more caramelly, creamy smell. It doesn't smell like straight honey out of a jar. It's definitely more of like a chocolatey honey kind of smell. That is so good. And again, I just love the design. It is beautiful. So I will definitely be burning these in my wax burner. Oh, delish. Okay, next up. Do you know what? When I saw this on the photos that I've seen, I eternally screamed because I loved this product. So this is the Cinnamon Roll Bubble Bar. This came out, I believe, was it last year? Was it the year before? I can't quite remember. It might have even been last year and the year before for Christmas. But I absolutely loved this product. It was really, really beautiful, and it smells so good. I think this might be the same smell as that shower gel. Hang on. We're going to have to compare because I think they might smell the same. I've got to try and like remember the smell. This is almost like a really strong version of this, if that makes sense. It's a very similar smell though. So if you've smelt this, that smells kind of the same. But this is beautiful. It's sparkly too. Oh, I absolutely love this one. It basically, again, just smells like your typical Christmassy, like mouth-watering, fruity, spicy smell. It's so good. You can definitely smell like the cinnamon on this one. It is really lovely. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got orange oil, patchouli oil, lime oil. We've also got cinnamon leaf oil, clove leaf oil, benzoin resinoid. We've also got clove powder. Again, it's a very cinnamony, clovey, strong, intense smell, but it is so good. I really enjoyed this one last year when I was unwell, and I found that it just cleared my like whole sinus situation. It's just so good. So yeah, that is the Bubble Bar Delish. And last but definitely not least, we have a soap. I feel like we haven't had a soap in a little while. I might be wrong, but I'm not mad about it. I have a lot of soaps to get through, but I'm really excited about this one. So this is the Orange Spice and All Things Nice soap. Again, this is screaming Christmas, cozy, autumnal vibes, which I'm really looking forward to using. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, coconut oil and extra virgin coconut oil. There's a lot of coconut oil in this one. Orange juice, orange oil, cinnamon leaf oil. We've also got whole clove, which I guess are those chunks on top, and obviously the oranges as well. Yeah, this one again is a very similar scent to the Bubble Bar and the shower gel. They all smell like they would work together, if you know what I mean. It's a very spicy but fruity smell. Like you can really smell the orange as opposed to like this one, for example, where the cinnamon is really prominent. The orange is more so prominent in this one, but like with a hint of cinnamon. Yeah, that is really good though. Again, I love the design. It is screaming autumn, winter, cozy vibes. I'm really excited about it, and I haven't had a soap in a while, so oh, yum. So those are all of the items in this month's Lush Kitchen box. I would love to know down below, did you get this month's box? What did you think? If you didn't get this month's box, I'd love to know what you thought anyway. Is this my favourite box? No, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it is not my favourite. I think because 3 out of 5 products smell very similar, I would love to have had like a little bit of different kind of, a few different scents going on, if you know what I mean. But I do really like everything. I will use it all. I'm not mad about it. But yeah, definitely it wasn't my fave. Also, obviously, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do. I would love to have you join my corner of the internet. It is a great time over here. We do a lot of Lush, a lot of book content and things in between. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I love you guys so incredibly much as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. bye.